we create here, it's not just a slogan. I think it's important to have something interactive that's representative of the diversity and inclusion the school embodies.
I'm a Trey Gray, and I'm a part of design and production costumes.
Kelly Lemos, I'm part of stage management.
My name is Winju Wang, and I'm the graduate student from the School of the Filmmaking.
I am currently studying scenic design for theater.
My name is Ojas Jain, and I'm a filmmaking student.
I'm in the School of Dance, and I concentrate in contemporary.
UNCSA's take on the Unity Project involves the students and faculty getting together to raise awareness about our differences and how they tie us all together.
I definitely believe School of the Arts represents diversity. I mean, just being here after a year and just all the people of different colors, different genders, identities and such. It's a really unifying school and letting you express who you are and let you be your true self.
Just kind of help remind me of like where I come from. Just because I was born here, my family, their roots are in Colombia.
I think the one that I identified with the most was I am a survivor.
Being committed to my faith and / religion, because that just kind of ties into who I am as a person, like my parents, my family.
I grew up in a single-parent household and grew up around a lot of women, a lot of strong women who were there for me, and it continues to be the same today, and I certainly wouldn't be where I am now without those people in my life.
The interactive installation involves 32 poles that each represent a different identifier. Participants begin in the center and work their way around to each pole they identify with.
But I'd say the biggest thing is just you just being yourself and being unapologetic about it.
Because the goal isn't assimilation, it's tolerance. It's not to have everyone be the same, but everyone be different, and that's okay.